Hi guys, Shopify versus WooCommerce in 2025, a comprehensive comparison review. Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we will dive deep into a comprehensive comparison between two famous e-commerce platforms, Shopify and WooCommerce. If you are looking to set up an online store or switch platform, this video will give you all the information you need to make an informed decision. Now, I am not sponsored by this company. I am simply sharing my personal experiences with them. However, if at any point you decide to check out Shopify, we have provided special discount link in the description below. With the world of e-commerce rapidly evolving, finding the right platform for you online store may seem overwhelming. However, with the right knowledge, it does not have to be. We have extensively researched and testing Shopify and WooCommerce, so you do not have to. And we are excited to share our insight with you. Ease of use. Shopify has a user-friendly interface with an intuitive setup process. Since it's hosted platform, you do not have to worry about managing technical aspects like security or hosting. Shopify lets you quickly set up your store, add product, and customize it. Designed perfect for those with little coding knowledge. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a WordPress plugin that transfers a website into an online store. It offers more control and customization but has a steeper learning curve. You must manage security, hosting, and update yourself or through a hosting provider, making it less beginner friendly. Scalability. If your business is growing and you need to handle high volume sales, Shopify can scale with you. It supports businesses of all sizes from small shop to large enterprise. Shopify including inventory management, secure payment gateway, marketing tool, and wide range of plugins from its app store. With WooCommerce, scalability depends on your hosting provider. Since its open sources offer endless customization and flexibility. But scaling requires a more powerful hosting plan, which increasing cost co- while you can create a highly customized store with WooCommerce. Finding the right combination of plugin take effort. Shopify is the better option for scalability since it's handle all technical aspects for you. Theme and design. Shopify offers 70 professional themes that are easily customizable and optimized for mobile devices, providing seamless shopping experiences. WooCommerce offers thousands of WordPress themes, both free and premium. However, not all themes are designed for e-commerce, so you must choose carefully to ensure they fit your need. While WooCommerce gives more flexibility, Shopify provides a similar way to achieve a polished look with minimal effort. Customer support. Shopify provides 24 by 7 customer support by email, live chat, and phone or for all plan. Their support team is responsive and can quickly resolve any issue. WooCommerce support varies depending on your hosting provider, theme, or plugin developer. While there is an active WooCommerce community with farmers and documentation, getting directory assistant can be more challenging compared to Shopify. Dropshipping. In a Shopify integrate with multiple popular dropshipping vendor. While costs vary, you are limited to Shopify approved plugin. WooCommerce offer hundreds of vendor integrating, giving you more choice. If you are running a small business with low order volume, you can choose per item delivery option instead of monthly subscription. Pricing. Shopify offer 3-day trial after which you can select a plan that fit your need. That the basic plan start at $90 per month with premium plan reaching $299 per month. This plan including security, hosting, and support. WooCommerce is a free plugin, but you must pay for domain registration, hosting, and any premium theme or extension you need. Hosting cost range from $5 to $13 per month. Domain name average $15 per year, and SSL certificate can range from free to $100 per year. WooCommerce cost depend on how you customize your store. Payment option. Shopify supports multiple payment options, including its own Shopify payment powered by Stripe. However, Shopify charge an additional 2% fee on each transaction unless you use Shopify payment. The fee is reduced to 0.5% for advanced plan. WooCommerce supports Stripe, PayPal, and various other payment gateways like Amazon Pay and Alipay. Since WooCommerce is self-hosted, you only pay transaction fees from your bank or payment processor. Final thought. Ultimately, the choice between Shopify and WooCommerce depends on your need, technical experiences, and budget. If you want a simple managed platform with built-in support, Shopify is a great option. If you prefer full control customization and potentially low long-term cost, WooCommerce may be the better choice.